try to.
All right, you ready?
Back up, Luke. It's gonna be yummy. Want some?
Yeah. Oh, Marco.
Thank you. Thank you. Someone feed me.
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay, one more for each of us. One more. Oh my god! It just out of your mouth, Samantha.
I never made it in my mouth.
No. Give her some more. Give her some more.
Chantel's turn.
Oh, yeah. I still have it on my glasses. Oh, I gotta find a hole.
How you like it?
Don't feed me. It's just Shelby's hair. Oh my gosh, Chantel! I'm gonna kick your ass.
I only did it for you because.
Okay, put it back in the fridge. Put it back in the fridge. Shelby, put it in the fridge.
Oh my god. I don't know where the cat is. Bye.
Okay, Chantel, say bye. Shelby, say bye.